What should we have for dinner tonight?
Haven't had a Reuben in a while. That sounds pretty good.
I haven't had a Reuben, like, ever.
Really?
Yeah.
In your whole life as an adult, you've never eaten a Reuben?
Correct. With corned beef, right?
Yeah, corned beef.
Yeah, no. Wait. Babe, wait.
Okay, welcome back to Smash Bros. It's your buddy Hollywood. We found some corned beef at our local grocer on sale, so I got a whole bunch for myself. So we also had at the same time a sauerkraut, homemade sauerkraut video going. So why don't we make a Reuben? You know, but we're gonna do it Smash Bros style. We're gonna smoke it. Okay. Now corned beef is literally a brisket that's been brined and boiled and way of preservation. It's kind of funky. Look it up if you want. Anyway, whenever you get corned beef, 99.999% of people that buy it will put it in the crock pot or their oven, right? Every single one of them comes with this nearly useless packet of seasoning. In here we've got, looks like some chili flakes, bay leaves, mustard seed. That's all I can make out. Maybe some caraway seeds. Yep. Anywho, we're gonna use that on here. Will it add a whole lot? No, probably not. Honestly. All right. Some more pepper. I don't think I saw any pepper in there.
How much pepper?
A lot. This thing isn't doing very much. I don't like it. Alright, that's probably good. Just gonna massage that goodness up in there. This is already plenty salty on its own, so I'm not gonna add any salt. And that's literally it. I'm gonna leave that out at room temperature for a couple hours. I'll throw that in the smoker at 225 for about 12 hours. See then. I forgot the brown sugar. Just like a tablespoon. Get it all nice on there. Not doing anything to the bottom of the corned beef chunk here. Because all this fat, a lot of it's going to render out. And doing anything to the bottom isn't really going to help a whole lot anyway. But, anyways, like I said, 225, about 12 hours. Okay, so we put our corned beef in the smoker last night at 10-ish, and it got frigid cold last night, so it's going to take a little longer than 12 hours. So, in the meantime, we're going to make our Thousand Island dressing for our Reuben. Now, if you make a Reuben and put Russian dressing on it, you disgust me. This is Thousand Island the right way. Alright, this recipe is going to go by weight, because I've used it in a lot of the kitchens that I've run. We're starting off with a pound of mayo, 16 ounces. Put it in our Ninja because the Ninja is good. Next, 4 ounces of the chup.
The what?
Ketchup.
Oh.
Catsup. 4.
No, I like chop.
I like the chup. I love chup. In here, I've got 1 ounce of garlic. Right here, garlic cloves. 2 ounces of shallots, not shalittles, and a good pinch of parsley. I'm not gonna mince that or anything because it's going into a Ninja. It's gonna do the work for us, you know? You dig? Gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That's actually also 1 ounce, but whatever, math. Tablespoon of capers minus the juice. Boom. I used to do this with pickled jalapenos, but you know, it adds a little spice that you might not necessarily want or need. Anyway, that's it. We're gonna rip this up, see if it needs some salt. I doubt it because those capers are salty. And we're going to open her up. Get all the stuff off the sides. Alright. That looks like Thousand Island, doesn't it, Ginge?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. So.
I'm just kidding. It looks exactly like Thousand Island.
Yeah. One for you. That's it, boy.
Yeah, that's the
it.
That's the whip.
That's it.
Yep, done.
That's the one. Now,
No changes.
nothing. No, that's good. I'm gonna put this into a bowl of sorts. Throw it in the old fridge until we're ready to make our Reuben. Okay, so that took way longer in the smoker than expected. It went about 15-16 hours. It still wasn't at temp, so I threw it in the oven at 300 until it reached exactly 203. Now, take a look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. It smells delicious. Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at all the juice.
Ooh.
Cascading.
Ooh.
I did let this rest for about an hour. Alright, we're gonna cut this bad boy in half. See what we're working with. Ooh, look at that. Mm-hmm.
Oh. Squeeze that boy again.
Go!
Oh, yeah.
So, ideally, we would cool this completely, slice it with a meat slicer, but I want to eat it now, and we don't have a meat slicer. And, boys,
Berta.
one for you.
Berta.
That's one.
Thanks, sir. Oh, wow.
That's it. Mike?
Thank you.
Wow.
That's it.
Oh, it's so good.
How's your corned beef?
I don't want to talk about it, but it's delicious.
Hey.
If we don't dance while you're eating it, do you really eat?
Unpopular opinion. I don't like Swiss cheese, so I'm not going to put it on a Reuben if I don't like it. You dig? So, I've got some toasted rye here with Muenster cheese. I'm just going to slap some of this goodness up on here. Also, this is very hot. Extremely. That looks about good. Got our toasted rye, our smoked corned beef, and our homemade kraut right here. It's good. Good for you. That's actually true. And our homemade Thousand Island. Healthy amount of that. Alright. Then we're going to cut it smaller. And that's what I call a Reuben right there, son. So this is actually your first ever Reuben.
With corned beef on, yeah.
So yes,
Christina,
first
that's what makes it a Reuben.
Well, I didn't
There's
know
the
that.
Cali Reuben with turkey. That's not a Reuben.
That's not real.
Okay, well, I used to eat the not real ones.
Cheers.
Gross.
I was wrong.
We know!
Corned beef is great.
We know you were wrong.